Hi everyone, so I decided to do my presentation on Disney Pixar's short film Lava. Basically, it is a short film about this volcano right here, Yuku. He's trying to find love, but it's also based on real volcanoes from the Pacific Ocean around Hawaii. It is a love story that takes place over millions of years. Yuku sings his beautiful song and he thinks no one can hear him, so he eventually loses his lava and dries out. But the whole time, Lily had been hearing him. And she emerges from the water, but by the time she got up there, he wasn't there. The song is based off of Somewhere Over the Rainbow. It means a lot to me because it's my grandpa's favorite song. And they end up happily ever after. The end.